Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about chemistry. So I was told that some of you were thinking of picking up chemistry as an IGCSE subject, and let me tell you, one of the best decisions you can make in your entire life. Like, pick it up like you did your grades. So all I'm about to do is explain to you why I think it would be a great idea for you to pick it up. Of course, I am quite biased because I do count chemistry as one of my favorite subjects, but hopefully by the end of the video, you'll share my viewpoints and maybe even want to pick it up as one of your O-level subjects. The way I saw it was that I would have lots of job opportunities, as would you, of course, if I were to pick up chemistry. So, you know, because you have access to all these fields such as medicine, cosmology, engineering, the list is endless. You could become a forensic scientist like the great Barry Allen, or should I say the Flash, or Ella Lopez if you watch Lucifer. You could also be a chemist. If you've watched Big Hero 6, a stellar example would be Honey Lemon. Or if you're into crime and mystery, you could one day be as cool as the great Sherlock Holmes, who actually has a PhD in chemistry, if you didn't know that. You could become a pharmacist and maybe one day be as great as Dr. Heinz Doofenshmirtz. Those were all my muses anyway. I promise you would totally be in your element if you were to pick up chemistry at O-level. I promise, nothing feels cooler than when you're in your lab coat with some safety goggles on and you're mixing up some sodium hydroxide with a little bit of copper sulfate. It's euphoric, I promise. No, I'm not gonna lie, it can get quite hard. Well, it did for me anyway, so you just have to be up for the challenge. You have to be as noble as helium. You'll get that in a couple months. So yes, as I said, it can get quite tricky, but at least when you're rewatching High School Musical for the 58th time during your second existential crisis of the year, you'll finally understand what Gabriella's doing on that blackboard of hers before she runs off to sing that song with Troy Bolton. Well, you can learn lots of things like that in chemistry. Fun fact, actually, spoiler alert. But did you know that the pencil you hold in your very hand is made up of the same element that make up the diamonds on the Queen's head? It's all carbon! How cool is that? Anyways, from personal experience, chemistry was a ton of fun, as I'm sure it will be for you as well. And who knows, maybe one day one of you will reach Tony Stark level of awesomeness and make your own element. I'd try and make another chemistry joke, but all the good ones are gone. Have a wonderful year, guys, and I hope you consider picking what I consider one of my favorite subjects.